So before opening any package, make sure you read up all the warning signs and labels on the boxes prior to opening it. And after you have done so, we are safe to go. You're gonna go inside your toolbox and you're gonna find the sharpest razor blade you can find to open up this box. Cool. Extended protection warranties with the QR code, instructions. Okay. I'm going to cut off all these protective pads held on by zip ties. Comes with these bars here, also held on by zip ties. Okay, let's find out what these bars do. Oops. So on each ramp, you're going to get one of these bars. At the end of the bar, you're going to have these two notches. These two notches fit like a key onto this turn pin. If you fit the notches on the turn pin, you could use as a wrench and turn it right or turn it left for loose. When you turn it right, you lock the pistons in, and when you stick this inside the handle holder right here, and just turn it until the notch fits very nicely in there, and you can pump this, and this platform raises up. Now, if you want to release the pressure, you continue to use these slots on the handle, and you turn this pin to the left, counterclockwise. And when you turn it counterclockwise, the weight of your vehicle is going to bring this platform back down. Once you're done, you could go ahead and lock it again by turning clockwise, and you're completely done. If I were to turn these ramps on its side, you're going to notice that when I pump this up to a different height, it's going to align with holes within the bars that's holding this platform. And it does come with safety pins for you to slide through these holes, just in case. You never know. There you go. How many slots does it have? That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. That's it. 3 holes. Your ramp is going to raise your vehicle up about, including the platform, about 10 inches. With the platform on the 3rd hole, you're going to raise your vehicle about 14 inches. I'm going to put this behind my wheels right here, straight as possible. Let's put the other one here. Line it up very straight. I'm not even sure if I need to raise the platform anymore. I'm sitting down, I'm 6 feet tall, and I can fit and sit underneath here and work on the back end or work on the front end.